Hi kids, today I have a quick read for you today. It's called Little Old Farm Folk. On a little old farm in a little old house, a little old lady flips 2 eggs from a pan as the toast pops up for her little old man. And after breakfast, the little old man starts his milking chore. The cat had breakfast, but she always wants more. And quick as the cat can lick her whiskers, the little old lady tosses scraps to her hens. They go pick-a-peck around the pen. And before the chickens can lay an egg, the little old man grabs his rake later that morn to chase the cows out of the corn. And as the crow flies, the little old lady picks carrots, beans, and tomatoes. She cooks them and serves them with a side of potatoes. And like 2 peas in a pod, the little old man and the little old lady sit for a spell where it's nice and shady. And after lunch, the little old man and the little old dog walk out to the pen to slop the hogs. And as much as a pig loves the mud, the little old lady takes the laundry out to the line, wondering why the socks go missing almost every time. And as sure as the sun does shine, the little old man drives his tractor down the rows, loading up the cabbages that he grows. And as quick as a wink, the little old lady's hands start to fly as she's rolling and filling and baking her pies. And just as the dough rises, the little old lady rings the dinner bell. And it's one of his favorites. He can smell. And after supper, the little old lady takes out her knitting. Her toes are a-tapping and her needles are a-clicking. And as sure as the sun does set, without so much as a peep, all the little old farm folk fall fast asleep. So that was a fun story of just little farm folk and what maybe their day is. You kids have a good day, and we'll see you soon. Bye.